Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different called the spin swirl technique. Basically, I'll be pouring 3 different layers of 3 different colors, and then I'm going to spin it around at the end, and it's going to give it a really cool effect. I find the more contrast you use with this technique, the better your bar is going to turn out. I went with purple, green, and black, and we are going to make mulberry and charcoal bars. And for the spin plate, I was super savvy on this one. I actually just used a round Tupperware container that I had laying around. For this technique, you're gonna want to use a slow moving fragrance oil. And another tip is to stir in your fragrance oil as opposed to stick blending. This will slow down trace. So this soap is actually gonna be cut completely different than my other soaps. I'm going to be putting it through my slab cutter height-wise first, and then split lengthwise. And then we're going to put it through the harp cutter, and that's where you're going to get your funnel pour effect. It sounds pretty complicated, I know, but I'm going to show you in this video. Hope you all enjoy!